Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and to tell you a little bit about our floor and decor blog. So the topic of this video is about SmartStrand Carpet and whether or not it's hypoallergenic. So before I start talking about that, I do want to just throw out a little plug about our site at BestRugPrices.com and just kind of tell you a little bit about what our floor and decor blog is all about. As you can probably guess from the title of the blog, we write about floor covering. We just have a wealth of information. We write articles on product reviews. We have information on cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles on what we call our secret strategies to help you buy floor covering at the best possible pricing from your local stores. And we even do articles on budgeting. If you have a floor covering project you're thinking about doing down the road, but you don't know how much it costs, we can help you put together a budget. We just have a wealth of tips and information on our blog that we think you're going to enjoy. Our blog page is completely free. There's no membership fees or anything like that. The purpose of this video is not to sell you anything. It's more to just let you know about our blog, and we just hope that you use it. So the other thing on our site that we have is we have a page that's dedicated to area rugs. And as I switch screens here and just kind of scroll down a little bit, but we have articles on area rugs. We do videos on rugs, and our site is kind of simplified. We have it categories for kids rugs, and then we break it down into sizes 8 by 10 and 6 by 9 as I scroll down, so forth, 5 by 8 and so on. We talk about area rug pad. We even have a kind of a deal of the week thing we put together. And if you have ever been shopping in your local town for just an everyday area rug for your home, you've probably come home quite frustrated, because I'm sure you've discovered that the box stores in town and most of your flooring stores really have gotten out of the area rug business. That you could probably find a few stores that have a small selection in there, and the rugs that they do have are usually overpriced. So most people are buying rugs online these days, and what we do on our site is we try to visit a lot of these online sites all the time, and then we make recommendations to our viewers on where to go to get the best deal. We just try to help make the buying process easier. So that's our area rug page, and now I'm going to get up to the top here. I'm going to switch back over to our blog page and talk a little bit about a recent article we just posted called SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. And although we call it a cleaning guide in the title, it's more of a resource guide for you that talks about SmartStrand Carpet. In the article, we have everything from not only the cleaning of a guide for SmartStrand, but we talk about the warranty information. We talk about what SmartStrand's made of. We talk about whether it's hypoallergenic and non-toxic, and the pros and cons of the product. How much it costs. Pretty much, if you want to know information about SmartStrand Carpet, it's in this article. And I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box of this video. So we'd love for you to come visit and check it out. And it's a great article if you've been shopping for carpet and you happen to run into SmartStrand Carpet in one of your local stores. This will tell you all kind of information about Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet. For example, one of the things that we talk about in the article that a lot of your local stores won't tell you about is items in the warranty. In the Mohawk SmartStrand warranty, it specifically states in there that in order for your warranty to remain active, you have to use one of Mohawk's approved vacuum cleaners on the SmartStrand carpet. If you don't, your warranty is void and no good. And so if the store doesn't tell you that, what happens is you get your carpet installed, and then you find out later that you've got to go to the store and buy a $200, $300, $400 vacuum cleaner. Well, in this article, we talk in our again in our SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide article, we talk about this. We even go so far as to list the 30 or 40 vacuum cleaners that Mohawk recommends and where you could go to buy these and to price shop. So we just give you a wealth of information on SmartStrand, and we encourage you to take a look at the article, and if you're so inclined, leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Okay, so I'm going to switch pages here. So the topic that we wanted to briefly discuss was whether or not SmartStrand Carpet is hypoallergenic. So what I've done here is, this is the Mohawk Industries website, and I'm just going to go to click this Learn About tab here and see if we can find some information, and I'll click Carpet, and then eventually we'll go to some information I'm sure that they have on their site about carpet. We're talking about stain here and wear, and I'm just going to kind of scroll down to see if I can't find some information on the health and so forth on the carpet. And here we go. We got carpet and health, and I've clicked that, and then I'm going to go to their site that talks about asthma and allergies and so forth. And they have a whole page dedicated to carpet and how it affects allergies and so forth. And so again, I'm just showing you where to find this information. It's on the Mohawk site, and it's just free information for anybody. And as I scroll down, it talks about air quality, and this is a great paragraph here where it talks about the Green Label Plus Indoor Air Quality Standard label, and this is from the Carpet and Rug Institute. The Carpet and Rug Institute is kind of one of the governing bodies in the floor covering world, and they have a program that excuse me, that they put on their carpet samples called the CRI Green Label Plus program. And Mohawk, all the Mohawk carpets have this certification, and I've kind of preloaded this on my computer. So if you go to the Carpet and Rug Institute and just type in, Green Label, it'll pop this up, and this will explain to you kind of what this program's all about and why it's important for carpets to have this label on their carpets. So again, as I go back to my blog page, all this information is in the SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. I'll put the link to this article in the description of this video. I encourage you to check it out and learn more about it. And I think you're going to find a wealth of information in this article. Thank you very much for listening.